This is the Ascent Law Show, where we talk about law, answer your questions, and help provide you with the information you need in your life today. If you want to ask us a question, drop us a line and be part of the show.
Hey, Mike Anderson from Ascent Law Firm here. I recently talked with a client who has a buyout provision for one of the businesses that he has. The buyout provision is in order to kick out somebody who's not pulling his weight, who is costing the company money, and in addition, he's, driving away clients in droves. Accordingly, they have to do certain steps in order to get him out of the company. And the problem is that some of those steps are very, very, very tricky. If you have a company, if you're concerned about how to kick somebody out of that company, or just want to make sure that your rights are protected, please call me, Mike Anderson, at Ascent Law Firm.
Thank you for listening to the Ascent Law Show. To retain an attorney or get specific advice in your situation or case, call Ascent Law today at 801-676-5506. Our lawyers look forward to serving you.